Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Prof. and everyone. Introducing us from Group 8. We'll discuss about lesson 4. And before that, I will introduce our member. First is Andi Musawir. And I am Muhammad Aiful Darmawan. And there is Rika Andriani. And there's Sudirman Bakhtiar. Rika Andriani. And the last one is Rasnidar. Okay, let's discuss.
In paragraph 1, the author writes, the world has been under the effect of the negative of coronavirus for the last couple of months, while more than 1,700,000 people have lost their lives. Over 39 to 300 people were directly affected by the virus. In your opinion, what are the data for?
The data is to show that the COVID-19 virus has infected many people and even lost their life.
Why does the author present the data?
So that people can understand that this virus is very dangerous for their lives if they are not careful and do not follow health protocols such as wearing masks and washing hands. In paragraph 1, start from line 3, the author writes besides its influence on human life and health sector, it is necessary to mention this outbreak, which has turned into an a pandemic will also have a lot of consequences in terms of political and democratic. Do you agree with the author statement? Why?
Personally, don't agree with the author's statement because, as well, I'll know that 2020 regional head election was still being held even though at the time COVID-19 was still forced.
In light 7, it is written the COVID-19 pandemic is not vision. What is the purpose of this statement?
The meaning of this statement is that COVID-19 pandemic is really real and is not a fabrication of fairy tale made up by someone.
What is the main idea of paragraph 1? So far you answer with response.
The main idea in paragraph 1 is the world has been under the effect of the new type of coronavirus for the last couple of months, because I think sentence of is the opening of paragraph 1, and this sentence introduce what kind of virus is infecting the world today. In paragraph 2 line 1, the author writes, this is one example of the phenomenon. What does the word phenomenon refer to, and why does he give the example?
The word phenomenon refers to is had discussion on social media about whether Indonesia or Jakarta should do a lockdown. So the readers of the article can find out more about the current phenomena.
In line 6, the author withers However, this discussion is only useful if there are no group of people with vested interest. In your opinion, why does the author write this statement?
I think author brought this because there were so many incidents where a group of people took advantage of the COVID-19 pandemic for their personal interests.
In line 7, it is written, trying to muddy the waters. What does it mean?
It means that there are many groups of people who are trying to make things chaotic in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic crisis.
Hmm, What is the main idea? Paragraph 2. Support your answer with reason.
I think the main idea of paragraph 2 is this one example of phenomenon because this is sentence open the discussion about the phenomenon that occurred during the COVID-19 pandemic crisis.
In paragraph 3, line 1, it is written, we have seen on social media an attempt to portray was attempt does the right man and what does the attempt like?
The writer means is the supporter of President Joko Widodo. The attempt is to name who oppose President Jokowi, especially those who openly support the government of Jakarta and Baswedan as the next president of Indonesia as Kadrun Desert Wizard.
Line 4 until 5, a soft lockdown, what do is meant?
It means a lockdown that is not too strict, but where people can still do activities outside homes, but not on the large scale.
What does the main idea of paragraph 3? Support your answer with reason.
I think the main idea of paragraph 3 is in a timely file book at the Jakarta governor who had briefly restricted the city transformation service. The president asserted that he alone held the right to impose a lockdown because ideas sentences in the debate between supporter of President Jokowi and supporter of the governor Jakarta is Anies Baswedan. The next is question number 5 in paragraph 4. Line 1, it says the COVID-19 outbreak has been political. What does the sentence mean? Please expand your answer.
The purpose of the COVID-19 outbreak has been political is that this outbreak is widely used by a group of political so that this group of political can win votes from the people.
Line 9, it says, line 6, it says the science is clear and simple. What does the science refer to? And what does the sentence mean?
The word science refers to how to handle COVID-19 infection. The meaning is this sentence is it's that we must reduce the number of COVID-19 transmission infection so that there is no buildup in hospital or other health place.
What is the main idea of paragraph 4?
The main idea of paragraph 4 is Jokowi concurrence may be justified, but Ines call for a lockdown is also pretty rational, especially given the fact we have that Indonesia was virtually led to take measures to contain the virus in the early stage of the outbreak and that other countries have taken different lockdown measures to survive the virus. Because I think this sentence explains what step the Indonesian government should take to contain the spread of COVID-19. In paragraph 5, line 1, it say the challenge now is how about Jokowi and Anies do two things. What do those things refer to?
It refers to how Jokowi and Anies supports the transmission rate of COVID-19 in Indonesia or Jakarta.
Line 4, the author writers. Science should take the lead and politics should not have say in this. What does the author writers the sentence?
I think the author wrote this because a lot of news regarding the handling of COVID-19 broke in a politics as a source threatened that scientist or doctor.
Line 10, it say a black and white spectrum. What does this phrase refer to?
The meaning of this phrase is that there is still hesitation in making a decision.
What is the main idea of paragraph 5?
The main idea of paragraph 5 is to do that the president and the governor to participate as political rival should put aside their egos and put the interest and safety of the nine above all things.
Paragraph 6 in line 10 and the other words, if you are confused about how the central and local authorities are central only, the situation please don't bring politics into this was just the author word the sentence.
I think the author wrote this because many politicians have interfered in the handling of COVID-19, either because of their intention to help or just to find people's sympathies.
Then it says skill or democracy, what does it mean? Please explain your answer.
In my opinion, this means that there should not be a debate on social media by the users about how to deal with the COVID-19 outbreak to make democracy in our country disappear.
What is the main idea of paragraph 6?
The main idea of paragraph 6 is President Jokowi has already come under fire for being excessively cautious in sharing information about the outbreak and failing to act fast to address it.
The articles end with the statement, this is how I imagine Indonesia will end not with a bag of an atomic bomb lost by a formidable adversary, but with a buzz created by social media influence. Busser, do you agree with the statement? Why?
I personally agree with that statement because, in my opinion, there are a lot of users who attack their opponents on social media so that they can create chaos, eventually causing division throughout Indonesia's society.
Okay, I think all question has been answered. With this, it end our discussion. If there is a wrong word or sentence, please forgive me. Forgive our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ada.
Salam.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.